Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes computer class ninth class. Ninth class we had finished our PT first syllabus chapter number 1 and unit number 3 means chapter number 3. Now we are going to start our another unit for PT second. This is introduction to spreadsheet and unit 4 name is electronic spreadsheet. Now here is one thing, spreadsheet. Spread means wide and sheet means wherever you can fill the data. So this is known as MS Excel in normal life, because in MS Excel we have a long sheet. There we can fill up so many data. In old time manually accounting is going on, but nowadays we are doing any accounting in MS Excel. It is becoming too fast. If we want to do any calculation, normally we need to take too much time. In MS Excel we can do it in just in a seconds. It is a combination of row and column. It stores data in table format. Okay, so I will show you. Accounting in business today is derived from the word spread and sheet. It is consists two types, row and columns. As we told you, table is a combination of row and column. Important feature of spreadsheet: computerized or electronic spreadsheet are much more recent origin. MS Excel is one of the most advanced spreadsheet software. It is used by a large number of people across the world. It is too easy. It is used to organize, calculate and manipulate the available data in tabular format consisting of row and column. It provides inbuilt feature and data analysis tool that make it easy to work with a large amount of data. It has additional feature of representing data in form of a chart. They'll help us to analyze data quickly. Some important feature of MS Excel that are listed below. Formula function. In MS Excel we have some formulas. It is used to make it calculation easily and fastly. Formatting features. Formatting features, it is also same from the MS Word. We can make our appearance improved. Auto updation of data. Auto updation of data means if you update a single data in any table, then we can update data in whole table in together mode. Search and replace. I already told you search and replace in last unit. It is used for search and change the data. Autofill. This feature helps in entering data in series automatically. It will fill up the data automatically. Charts. All of you are familiar with charts. In MS Excel we have a facility. We can present our data in chart format in MS Word also. Sorting. Sorting means arranged data in ascending or descending mode. These advanced features have made MS Excel the first choice of professional to quick, lengthy and complex accounting and financial tasks and take immediate decisions. Some popular spreadsheet softwares are Microsoft Excel, Apache, Google Sheets, Libre and Numeric and WikiCalc. How to start MS Excel? In Windows 7 we need to click on the start button. After that all program, MS Office, and then in MS Office we have MS Excel 2010. In Windows 10 click on start button, then click on Microsoft Office. After that Microsoft Excel 2010, and we can find out directly through the search box. We can type EXCEL. After that the main window of application open. Component of MS Excel. Okay, this is our component. File tab. File tab is same as for new, save, save as, open. Quick toolbar, it is on the top. Title bar is used for name. Ribbon, it is same from MS Word. Name box, in this it will show which column is going on and which row is going on. Active cell, in it means which cell is working. Formula bar, in this if we type any formula it will show us. Column heading, A B C D, this is the name of any column. Row heading, it will show the numbers of row. Status bar, it will show which cell is going on. Sheet tab, sheet tab is used for sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 10, means it will show which page number is going on. Range, if you select any data from B9 to E9, then it will show range of cell B9 to E9, same as column cell. Okay, workbook, this is known as workbook. Whenever we start any file in MS Excel, it will known as workbook. A workbook is a collection of so many worksheet. Worksheet, a worksheet is a part of workbook. In worksheet we will enter our data. It is combination of row and column. In this we have 1 to 10,48,576 rows and column from A to XFD, means 16,384 columns. Cell, I already told you, a cell is a small unit of MS Excel. Wherever we type any data. Row, row is the horizontal arrangement of cell in Excel. I already told you in the last. 1 2 3 is a row. Column, it is a vertical arrangement of data. A B C, this is the columns. Scroll bar, it is in the horizontal and vertical. Row header, 1 2 3 4, numbering is known as row heading. Column header, A B C D is known as column heading. It will show which cell is working, which column is working. Name box, in this it will give active cell address. Formula bar, in this whenever we type any formula it will show in formula bar. Sheet tab, I already told you, in sheet tab it will show which sheet is going on. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Status bar, in status bar it will show sheet numbers, page numbers, how many cell is going on, other information is shown in status bar. Range of cell, I already told you, if we select B9 to E9 it is range of cell. In this we have two types of range, column range and row range. Column range means we are going to conduct any range from the 1 to 5. So in B, if we select first column B, in this row 1st to 5th, then it is known as B1 to B5. Row range like B9 to E9. Row and column range, it will work together. We can use it in a matrix format, so it will known as B3 to F10. Selecting a range, how to select a range? If we want to select a range, we just click and drag and drop. We need to select in dragging mode. Through the keyboard, how to select? We just click shift key from the keyboard and after that we need to use arrow key. I will repeat. If we want to select range through the mouse, we need to just click and drag the mouse, and through the keyboard we need to do it shift key and after that arrow key. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.